Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Guru easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, download the Guru app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create your account by entering your email and setting a secure password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Explore the available investment options by tapping on the Discover tab. Select the category that interests you, such as stocks, ETFs, or crypto. Read through the available assets to gather information on their performance and potential. Tap on any asset for a detailed overview and analysis. To track an asset, click the Follow button. Now, head to the Portfolio tab to view your investments. Click on Add Investment to start building your portfolio. Search for the asset you want to invest in by using the search bar. Once you find it, tap on the asset to see its details. Choose the amount you want to invest. Confirm your investment by tapping on the Invest button. Review the transaction details before finalizing. Once confirmed, your investment will be processed and you'll receive a notification. Monitor your portfolio performance regularly by returning to the Portfolio tab. Stay informed by checking the news section for updates on your investments. Consider adjusting your portfolio as needed based on market changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.